Good morning, students. I am Mr. Parikshit Rana, your English teacher. Welcome you all in this YouTube channel, Sanskrit English e-learning. Friends, today we will discuss our unit number 1 of English. The title of this unit is A Letter to God. Word to word I will explain this. Look here. The first paragraph. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. Here crest means top of a hill. So there was one house of Lancho. Lancho is the hero of this unit, the main character. So there was a house of him on the top of the hill. From this height, one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flower that always promise a good harvest. So from the height of the mountain, from the peak of the mountain, everyone can see the nature, the sight of nature, or the field or the river and other things, and the crop also. So there were flowers on the crops, and those flowers are the sign of good harvesting. The only thing the earth needed was downpour, or at least a shower. So here downpour means heavy rain, and a shower means mild rain. So earth को किसकी जरूरत थी? Water की. So earth was waiting for the heavy rain or mild rain. Throughout the morning, Lancho, who knew his field intimately, had nothing else but see the sky toward the north. So Lancho is also waiting for the rain like earth. In next paragraph, Lancho explained. Now we are really going to get some water, woman. Here the writer has used word woman for the wife of Lancho. So in front of his wife, Lancho explained that now we will get water from the sky through the rain. The woman who was preparing supper replied, yes, God willing. अगर भगवान की इच्छा होगी तो हम जरूर इस बार वाटर को प्राप्त कर पाएंगे, यानी बारिश अच्छी होगी. Yes, God willing. The older boys were working in the field while the smaller one were playing near the house until the woman called to them all. So now the children of the Lancho, the elder one were working in the field. They worked very hard, and the smaller one were playing near the house, and the woman, the wife of the Lancho, was preparing dinner. Now she is calling them for dinner. Come for dinner. It was during the meal that, just as Lancho had predicted, here predicted means made a forecast. It means भविष्यवाणी करना. अभी लेंचो क्या भविष्यवाणी कर रहा है कि big drops of rain began to fall. In the northeast, huge mountain of clouds could be seen approaching. The air was fresh and sweet. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. Now the rain is coming from the northeast, and now he became very happy to observe or feel the rain. And when he returned, he exclaimed. So when he returned in his house, he exclaimed in front of their children and wife, these aren't raindrops falling from the sky. They are new coins. The big drop are 10-cent pieces and the little ones are 5. Here Lancho compared the raindrops with the coins. The big one he compared with the 10 cent, यानी 10 पैसा, और smaller one with 5 पैसा. The next paragraph. With a satisfied expression, he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers, draped in a curtain of rain. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain, very large hailstones began to fall. Here, hailstones means frozen mass of ice. What happened here? The rain was falling outside, but with the rain, what happened here? Hailstones were also falling from the sky. Here hailstones means frozen mass of ice, यानी बर्फ के टुकड़े. बारिश तो गिर रही थी, पर साथ में बारिश के साथ बर्फ के टुकड़े भी गिरने लगे. These truly did resemble new silver coin. Now he compared the hailstone with the new silver coins. The boys, exposing themselves to the rain, ran out to collect the frozen pearls. बच्चों के लिए वो फ्रोजन एक मोती की तरह थे, इसलिए वो कलेक्ट करने के लिए घर के बाहर चले गए. It is really getting bad now, exclaimed the man. I hope it passes quickly. It did not pass quickly. Lancho hoped that this hailstone passes quickly, but what happened here? It did not pass quickly. For an hour, the hail rained on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, on the whole valley. The field was white as it covered with salt. So due to these hailstones spread everywhere, so that everything looked like a salt. ये बर्फ के जो टुकड़े थे वो सारी जगह पर गिर गए, तो दूर से कैसा लग रहा था कि वो यानी सॉल्ट ने पूरा कवर कर लिया हो खेत, दिस गार्डन, हिल्स साइड, कॉर्नफील्ड, ऐसा उसको देखकर लग रहा था. Not a leaf remained on the trees. Because of this hailstone, not a single leaf remained on the trees. The corn was totally destroyed. The flowers were gone from the plants. Lancho's soul was filled with sadness. Now he became very upset. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his sons. Now in front of his sons, he exclaimed something. What he says? A plague of locust. Locust means it is an insect. It is a grasshopper. So not a locust would have left more than this. ये ग्रासहॉपर जैसे इंसेक्ट तो कुछ ना कुछ खाने के बाद छोड़ देते हैं, बट दिस हेलस्टोन्स लेफ्ट नथिंग. परंतु ये हेलस्टोन्स ने हमारे खेत में कुछ भी छोड़ा नहीं है. दिस ईयर वी विल हैव नो कॉर्न. दैट नाइट वॉज अ sorrowful one. All our work for nothing. There is no one who can help us, and we shall all go hungry this year. Due to this hailstone, we will remain hungry this year. वो अपने बच्चों को और उसकी वाइफ को कह रहा है कि इस साल हमें भूखा ही रहना पड़ेगा. Okay? So thank you very much, children. The next paragraph I will continue next time.